We are talking with Esekiraj Arumugam, All India first rank in the CA final November 2020 exam. Like I said in the earlier part, it's been a great year for him. He started off the new year on an unbelievably positive note. We will talk to him a little more about his exams, and we'll talk to him about what he plans to do in 2021 and beyond. Uh, Esigiraj, this is a question that I've always seen people ask. Maybe because people come from the world of numbers. There's a question that says, how many hours did you study?
Initially, I started with 6 hours a day, and then I increased by 2 hours, and by 2 hours, and finally I could make up to 12 hours a day.
12 hours a day.
12 hours.
For the benefit of people who are asking on the chat, Esekiraj got the All India first rank under the old syllabus. Okay. Would you say that before the day of the exam you studied 12 hours?
Um, yes, sir. I would have studied 12 hours.
Okay. Um, in your view, now that you have cracked it, and I'm sure many people will ask you this question, in your view, what according to you is three important things that will help anybody crack the CA exam, which is widely right or wrong regarded as possibly the second toughest exam in the country?
First thing is being dedicated on whatever we do. Second, plan well. And third one, follow our plan consistently.
I think that's extremely well said. Being focused, planning, and then executing that plan is what takes for success. And it's not just the exams. Of course, he said that because he's now on the exams. I think it's also true in the larger context of life. We'll now discuss a little thing beyond exams. We'll now move away from your role as a student. And while we welcome you into the Chartered Accounting fraternity, we'd like to have your views on what is it that you plan to do ahead.
So far, I was expecting my results to come, and I had little idea that I wanted to go in the field of corporate finance, and now there are many options available in front of me.
Yeah.
So I want to evaluate all those options and take guidance from the credible sources and then take an informed decision. And in the long run, I wanted my career such that I want to experience something in everything.
Okay. Just to inform you, just to tell you, I knew you would be flooded with lots of offers. In the course of the last 24 hours, I have received text messages. I will tell you in person subsequently. I have received text messages asking you to apply to these three entities. Okay. So I'm going to add to your confusion. All right. How good is your handwriting?
It is not too good, sir. It is average.
Okay.
My Tamil handwriting will be very good. My English handwriting is average.
All right. You said you're interested in corporate finance. Would you want to tell us what is it that excites you about corporate finance?
One thing was, in my articleship, I had good amount of exposure in auditing and taxation and all that. So the corporate finance is a new word. So I just wanted to explore what it is. And I'm following equity markets for a long time. And I'm interested in valuation too. So these things gives me the interest to explore that area.
That's good. Would you like to tell us whether you are 24/7 with your books and your audit firm, or do you also have other things that you're passionate about?
Yeah, yeah. Apart from the studies and articleship, whenever I find time, I just download an annual report of listed companies and read it. And then I read a lot of equity research reports from the brokerage houses,
Okay.
and I read the earnings call transcript. So these things interest me a lot. And apart from that, I'm learning Carnatic music more than a decade. So I'm learning it from my guru, Srimati Sharada Sundar in Salem.
And what is your level? Would you like to, I don't know if it is allowed by your guru. Would you like to sing for about 30 seconds to 45 seconds here?
Yes, I can, sir.
Please go ahead.
Just few seconds, sir.
Yeah, yeah, no.
Srivatsangita Shri Kaustubhadara Srivatsangita Shri Kaustubhadara Srivatsangita Shri Kaustubhadara Srivatsangita Shri Kaustubhadara Bhavaka Bayakara Pakimukunda Bhavaka Bayakara Pakimukunda Bhavaka Bayakara Pakimukunda Govardhana Giridhara Govinda Gokula Balaka Paramanda Govardhana Giridhara Govinda.
That's really excellent. I must compliment you.
Thank you, sir.
While I'm not a great connoisseur of music, but no, I think the expression on your face suggests how deeply you're in love with music.
Sir, in fact, you have written a book called Flying High, wherein you have portrayed Vidwan Sri Sanjay Subramaniam.
Yeah, correct.
Yes, sir. He is one of my favorite musicians.
Oh, wonderful. So since you talked about the book and since you also a little earlier said you want to explore multiple careers, I just finished a book, published a book called Beyond 2020, 25 Happening Careers in Finance and Accounting. And each chapter is broken up into 6 parts. They are structured in the same way every chapter. I will arrange to send you a copy of the book as maybe my gift to you for your All India First Rank. When you find time, do read that. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
What do your parents want you to do? You have your aspirations. Parents have some aspirations. Are they insisting that you do something?
No, sir. They just let me to do what I want. They don't insist anything.
All right.
They don't force me to study and to do articleship. They just let me what I want to do.
Okay. Let me very quickly ask you a couple of things. What is it that you want to study further? Do you want to go to the IIMs? Do you want to go to the ISB? Do you want to do an MBA abroad? Or do you want to quickly get into whatever practice or corporate, your choice?
As I said earlier, since I want to experience something in everything, I want to do MBA from IIM, and I also want to do CISA. So these are all the things in my list to do. If not immediately, in the near future, I plan to do.
Very good. Maybe one way to possibly look at is to pick a couple of years of experience and go to the IIMs. CISA, of course, is something that you can do anytime, and maybe 6 months from today, you should be a CISA. I'm sure in the fact that you want to natural fact that you want to go up in your career. I'm sure the base can't be Salem. Okay.
Yes,
Correct me if I'm wrong, of course. Where do you want to work in terms of place?
I want my professional ground to be global, sir.
Okay.
I'll be okay with any metropolitan city, and I won't restrict myself only to Salem.
Okay. All right. That's good. That is how it should be. Beyond music, do you have any other hobbies that you fall back on?
No,
Or do
sir.
you want, sorry?
Uh, Carnatic music is the only thing I love the most. If not a CA, I would have become a full-time Carnatic musician. It was
Or
like
you
that.
can still be a Sanjay Subramanian. You can still be a Sanjay Subramanian even while you're in employment, and maybe you can go one step ahead of him in terms of being both in employment and being as great a singer as he is. Okay. And I'm sure he'll be very, very happy you're doing that. Uh, you watch movies?
Yes, yes, I watch movies. Tamil movies I watch.
Maybe tell our audience what 2, 3 movies they should watch.
Uh, Recently I watched Surari Potru
Okay.
and Kannum Kannum Kollayadithal. I think it came back a year ago. So the thriller movies I like a lot.
Okay.
Action thrillers.
That's good. There is a very pertinent question that somebody has put out on the chat box. He or she is asking you, have there been distractions? And if there have been distractions, how have you managed to overcome them?
Like every student, there were days for me where I felt very low. I couldn't study. In those days, I just took a break for a day and then I'll come back to study. And I was never harsh on myself. Um, I'll just I'll just break for 2 days and then I'll come back to study. And I don't take any thing as seriously.
Okay.
I just let it go.
You have anybody, we are now coming to the fag end of our conversation. You have anybody whom you look up to as a role model, uh, whom you want to, whose, what should I say, attributes you want to imbibe? Is there something like that?
Yes, a lot of inspirational people are there. In fact, you and MPV sir and Manoharan sir, Shekhar sir, they are all my inspirations, sir.
Anyone outside of that? I didn't ask that question for that answer. I wanted something else.
In the music front, Sanjay Subramaniam, I would say.
All right. That's really good, because now in life this is for the audience, in life one needs a role model, one needs at least an inspiring person to whom you can look up to and do much, much, much better than them. So we will very quickly wind up. For the benefit of those of you who joined in late, S.A. Kiraj got the All India first rank in the November 2020 exams under the old syllabus. He studied in a Tamil medium school, then graduated to the English medium in class 11. Naturally found it challenging, but then his father chose or guided him to pick up chartered accountancy. And I think like any father, he wasn't wrong. His performance in the CPT was at 75% plus. His performance in his intermediate might not have given an indication that he would end up with an All India first rank in his final. He himself suggested that he trusted, that he believed that he would do his best, would expect to get in the region of 500, and that the extra marks, because he's been very humble and down to earth, said that the extra marks were excess or bonus. But then no, It helped him land up with the All India first rank, which is something that will stay with him for the rest of his life, come what may. It's something that's a great performance. It will stay with him for the rest of his life. He looks forward to testing different careers and possibly wants to start off with corporate finance because he thinks that that's an area which could perhaps excite him. He is also a music buff, holds Sanjay Subramaniam in great regard. There is one last question, Esikiraj, that has come up. I would like you to answer that because I think it's an important question. One of the viewers has asked, maybe in some way you have answered that earlier, but perhaps in a more focused way. What has been the role of your parents in your success?
They played a significant role, sir. Right from choosing the career, choosing the CA course, they played a significant role. And whatever the material I wanted, they brought me. And whatever I wished to buy, they allowed me to do. And I think the more important thing is they never forced me anything. So that is the biggest thing. They let me free. So I could do what I wanted. So after the results were announced, the happiness I could see in their face are really worth of all the hard work I have put in so far.
That's good. The very fact that he's searching for words to express it is an indication of the kind of support and what should I say? Okay, the kind of support that his parents have given him. Thank you very much, Esikiraj, for having very quickly agreed to have a conversation with us. We wish you the very best of luck. Personally, I hope that this is the starting point and that you do extremely well in whatever career you choose to maybe 5-10 years from now, God willing, if I'm still around, I will try and talk to you to see where you have gone on in life. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. It's my pleasure.
Thank you.